Hi, I'm Steve, and I want to show you how to use your Android or Apple phone as a webcam for free. And I'm not a market affiliate, at least not yet. So if you want to know more, stick around and check this out. Is your webcam lousy, or is the new one just a little too expensive? Do you not have a good place to mount one? Or the angles you get with your laptop's built-in camera is not quite right? Or even the positioning of your webcam, always wrong? Then this video is for you. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Most of us have a cell phone these days, and a lot of them have pretty decent cameras. In fact, my cell phone isn't even a top quality phone, and it's still better than any of my cameras. Which is sad, but true. So put yours to work for you. If you're watching this video, I have to assume you already have a phone, or you're about to get one. But the first thing I recommend is, if you don't have one, and I'm sorry, this isn't free, but I got this for under $5 at Walmart. I'm not sure if I can say that. It's a portable mount for a cell phone. A cable that I hope you already have, with a USB connection to your computer and a connection to your phone. Go to your Apple app or Google Play Store and get the IRIUN app for your phone, and then you go to the site at www.iriun, and I'll put a link to that down below. You get the drivers for your PC or Mac. You have to have it installed in both your computer and your phone to work. It's free, at least as of the day I'm making this video. You can use this with Zoom or your favorite gaming recording software. Now, once you have that program installed on both your phone and computer, connect the cable to your PC. I found it easier to start the app on the phone first, then the computer. Once they connect, start your favorite game recording or business meeting software, and you are set. Now you can use your Apple or Android phone as a webcam. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.